Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which desktop environment you run because the steps differ. Kali often uses XFCE. Once you know XFCE is active, right-click the taskbar and choose Panel Right Arrow Panel Preferences or Open Settings Manager and select Panel. From here you'll see panels listed and basic controls. Make sure you have a user session with administrative rights for changes. Once done, keep Panel Preferences open so you can immediately change position and see the live preview as you work. With Panel Preferences open, select the panel you want to move and use the orientation or row settings to choose top, bottom, left, or right. This is how you change the physical placement. Then tweak length and row count to fit screen space and set size for icon scaling. For finer control, enable or disable auto hide and change the strut or lock options so windows don't overlap. If you prefer commands, restart the panel with XFCE 4 Panel Restart to apply subtle layout updates. Finish by locking the panel and testing with several windows to verify behavior across workspaces. Once done, run XFCE 4 Panel Restart to ensure changes persist after session hiccups. If the panel disappears or acts oddly, reset just the panel. XFCE 4 Panel Quit, move or remove // config/xfce 4/xfcomp/xfce per channel xml/xfce 4 panel xml. Then start XFCE 4 panel. That recovers a broken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.